Many of my students say that constantly adjusting trading systems and indicators are too complicated. These guys are chasing quick success and looking for the simplest solutions. What if I tell you such an option exists? All you need is the price chart itself and one reliable pattern. Today, I'll share professional trading secrets with you, execute live trades, and show you how to handle losing streaks. Watch to the end and absorb this knowledge. It will make you a successful trader. Let's begin. Okay, let's examine today's trading pattern. It is called a flag. Yeah, you can see it clearly. Essentially, it's a pause during a directional price movement. Let's look at another example. I'll just find suitable movements on the charts. Okay, yeah, we have an asset decline with a pause. At this point, there was a slight pullback, after which the movement continued. Here's a slightly different situation. The asset began moving upward, formed a pause in the shape of a triangle, which also constitutes a flag. This will be particularly visible on higher time frames. The key point here is that the momentum didn't continue, but reversed instead. This occurs frequently. For example, here, we see a wedge-shaped or triangular flag that was broken downward. Let's wrap up the example and reinforce the concepts why flags vary in form. Their essence lies in representing a pause in price momentum. The assets became trapped in a triangle. Everything froze before the next move. After this, you can anticipate either an upward or downward breakout. The only remaining task is identifying the exit points from the pattern. Let's examine another example. The asset rallies, then forms a rectangular channel containing the price action. Yet so, we might see either a downward or upward breakout. The price will consolidate before making its move. Finally, guys, let's analyze another flag variation, similar to previous, but sloping against the primary trend. This really results in reversals. Typically, the asset just corrects before resuming its trend. However, reversal potential still exists. Okay, we've covered the basic of flag analysis. Now let's move to practical application. I believe you cannot spot the flag pattern with your naked eye. Once you know a pattern, it becomes obvious. It's just a matter of experience. Right now, a new flag is forming here. It's horizontal and just starting to develop. So the price will oscillate within these boundaries before eventually breaking out either upward or downward. This is a signal for future action. But for now, we'll focus on finding other fully formed patterns that are ready to trade. Let's go. Okay, I'm entering long here. Now let's examine the nearest flag pattern. The asset started recovering, formed a downward sloping flag, and has already broken out. Upside momentum confirmed. There's a clear resistance level higher up, where price is likely to head. I'm confident this is a high probability trade. While we wait for expiration, guys, let me share some insight about flags and chart patterns in general. Guys, this type of analysis is highly objective. Sometimes, you will spot a pattern that others might miss. However, the most obvious flags will catch the eye of nearly every trader. Okay? Meanwhile, the price is surging upward, increasing my profit potential with each passing second. With little time remaining, we'll calmly wait to secure our gains. Okay guys, locking into the first profits. We've just broken out the flag boundaries, signaling strong continuation ahead. That's exactly what I'm saying on this chart, folks. We are clearly set for at least one more trade opportunity. Opening the trade now. The technical setup is essentially similar. I will just note that earlier here was a downward breach flag. We could have traded it successfully then, but this pattern will remain useful for future reference. Every flag creates a price zone that attracts future retests. Each breakout confirms the current trend strengths. Okay, now we are awaiting the trade outcome. Personally, I favor chart patterns in trading because they offer the most immediate entry signals. All indicators lag, while price action signals are visible in real time. This is why many professional trade is purely based on charts data. They master numerous patterns and make decisions accordingly. Indicators merely serve as supplementary tools for confirmation. Perfect, another profitable trade, guys. I believe it's time to switch charts now. Let's hunt for new flag patterns on different currency pairs.
Okay, don't rush to skip this video. Understand that many things I said might sound unclear. That's normal. When I first started trading a couple years ago, my brain was exploding from all this strategy, divergences, and technical analysis. But now, you have a choice. Either go through the same path I did and learn how to trade on your own while burning through all your deposits at early stages, or can start trading with artificial intelligence that provide ready, tested signals and will help you earn, even if this is literally your first day in trading. Together, my team and I have developed a unique software and have put into it my experience multiplied by AI capabilities. This is an application that monitors and analyzes charts 24/7 and gives you 72% accurate signals. All you need is to enter the trade at the right time with the right signal. That's all. Want to know how it works? Subscribe to my Telegram channel via link in the description and I will explain to you everything. And most importantly, you will get this for absolutely free. So DM me on my Telegram. See you guys. And now we continue.
Excellence. We've got the textbook scenario here that we will definitely trade. I'm entering long here. Here's the flag, a price consolidation. We have recently broken out to the upside. The momentum continues. So we've managed to enter at an optimal point. Now we just wait for expiration. Scene. I'll show you where the border market is heading. Let's have the horizontal level and place it at the nearest point where the decline began. This is exactly where price is heading right now. We'll trade it set up until the market crosses this line. It's always valuable to know price destination, both to exit timely or to continue opening positions. Okay, currently the move is against us. We might take a loss here. Yes, unfortunately this trade didn't work out, but no reason to panic. I'm doubling the risk and I'm re-entering the markets. Entering on the red candle, but all signs suggest an upcoming reversal. We are still targeting our previously marked level, and personally, I'm not worried about the positive outcome. If the market shows no bearish signals, it will rise. It's that simple. I will double my position size, and if successful, I will not only recover the loss, but I will lock in profits. This technique is called averaging in. In trading terminology, you can use it too, but remember to maintain proper risk management. I cover this and other advanced strategies on my Telegram channel, where I also share my personal high probability trade signals. For beginners looking to learn properly, everything you need is written there. Find the link in the video description. See you guys there. Meanwhile, I'm closing this trade profitably. Situation resolved. Now, let's switch charts and conclude today's trading session. Excellent. Here's a special scenario you need to see. I'm entering a short position and I will explain the analysis specifics. So, we have a flag that was broken upward. The price exited, but then it returned back. This is typically called a false breakout. These traps often precedes price reversals. In our case, the asset decline. In this case, we are trading not the flag breakout, but the price rejection back inside. This is also a highly reliable signal that can be incorporated into regular trading practice. Let's wait and see how this plays out. The asset isn't showing strong downward momentum yet, but I remain confident in the outcome. We always have the option to average the position, though it doesn't seem necessary now. The price is finally moving in our anticipated direction. Okay, we've nearly broke the flag pattern to the downside, confirming the signal validity, and the trade is closing profitably. Alright team, that's enough for today. Now, let's summarize today's key session. Today, you've seen that successful trading requires just one essential tool, which is the price chart itself. The patterns and formation created by price action tells the market story, and every trader should master this language. Flags are just the beginning. I'll be revealing more advanced patterns in our future sessions. By the way, if you enjoy this content, the best way is to hit the like button, subscribe and comment, and also tell me which pattern you'd like to see in our next video. I also want to remind you about my Telegram channel along with trading insights for beginners. You also find a special promo code for registering with the broker pocket option. Using this code boosts your initial deposit by 50%. But hurry, this offer won't last forever. That's all for now, guys. See you in the next time. Keep crushing that trade. See you in the next video.